Hello and welcome. My name is Bree, and I will be leading you today on a Sacral Chakra meditation. The Svadhisthana chakra is all about connecting with our emotional center. We carry that here in our womb space. I invite you to close your eyes, whether that be seated or lying down, and join me on this beautiful journey. Our sacral chakra asks us to be flexible and fluid like a river, allowing our emotions to flow past us ever so calmly. Vam. It's about giving ourselves permission to feel, permission to receive, permission to be passionate. Vam. This is where we acknowledge our wants, where we cultivate self-care, cultivate our sensuality, and enjoy the pleasures of life. Vam. Here we embrace change, welcome balance, and connect with our creative side. Vam. Imagine yourself at the beach, barefoot, toes in the sand, walking leisurely at the water's edge, watching as the waves gently roll in and roll out, occasionally caressing your feet, feeling that connection with the water, feeling the warmth of the ocean, smelling its saltiness in the air, listening to the waves rolling in and rolling out, flowing ever so rhythmically. The sun is setting, filling the sky with that beautiful golden light, watching how the colors reflect along the water, watching the waves dance in the beautiful colors of orange and pink and yellow, watching that very bright orange fireball slowly sinking into the horizon while listening to the waves roll in and roll out. Here you are at peace. You're connected with yourself, being present in this moment, enjoying the sensuality of the beach, noticing how the waves ebb and flow like the emotions of the day, washing over and then retreating back just as quickly as they rolled in. Nothing is permanent. Everything is currently in motion. Realizing that change is inevitable and that we can just embrace it with a smile and try to be as balanced as possible as the waves roll in and roll out. If you're not already, I invite you to take a seated position and join me for some Nadi Shodhana breath, also known as alternate nostril breathing. You can do the very simple hand gesture of just keeping your thumb and your baby finger out like this. We'll start by plugging the left nostril and exhaling completely out of the right. Switching our hand, plugging the right nostril and inhaling through the left, plugging the left nostril, exhaling out the right. Switch, inhale, and switch, exhale. Continuing. Relaxing your hands to your side. Connecting with our breath. Noticing the calmness that has come over us with this gentle cleansing, balancing, and relaxing breath. Just being present in our body in this moment. We'll do a second round. Again, thumb and pinky out. This time we'll do the opposite. So we'll plug first our right nostril and exhale out of our left. Plugging the left, inhaling through the right. Plugging the right, exhaling left, and continue. Bringing your hands to your side and just sitting in our breath, being present in this moment. Being present in this moment, cultivating this moment of self-care. Creating this space to digest our emotions and calm our mind. Just witnessing the thoughts that happen to pass by without judgment in this moment. Vam. 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 When you're ready, please open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you can bring forth this tranquility and flexibility into the rest of your day. And I will see you soon. Ciao.